Mastering the Art of Slow Cooking, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that combines cooking and language learning. Understanding the phrase, using a slow cooker. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about slow cookers. Let's get started and explore how this cooking method can be a metaphor for the patience and care in language learning. A slow cooker, also known as a crock pot, is a countertop electrical cooking appliance used to simmer at a lower temperature than other cooking methods, like boiling, frying, or baking. This method is ideal for cooking stews, soups, and roasts, emphasizing the slow but consistent process. Just as understanding and mastering a new language takes time and patience, so does cooking with a slow cooker. It's about setting the foundation and letting it develop over time. Using a slow cooker has several benefits, both in cooking and as an analogy for learning English. Firstly, it's energy efficient and can be left to cook food over several hours without supervision. This mirrors the language learning process, where consistent, low-intensity study can lead to significant progress over time. Additionally, slow cooking can enhance the flavors and textures of food. Just as slow, deliberate practice can deepen your understanding and fluency in English. When using a slow cooker, there are a few key points to remember. Prepare in advance. Gather all your ingredients before you start cooking. Layer wisely. Place hard vegetables like carrots and potatoes at the bottom of the pot, closer to the heat. Avoid overfilling. To ensure even cooking, fill your slow cooker no more than 2/3 full. Be patient. Resist the urge to open the lid frequently, as this releases heat and slows the cooking process. These tips can also apply to learning English. Preparation, strategic planning, moderation, and patience are crucial to both cooking and language acquisition. Just as there are endless recipes for slow cookers, there are countless ways to learn and practice English. Try to combine cooking with language learning by following recipes in English, which can help you learn cooking-related vocabulary and practice reading comprehension. Similarly, discussing your cooking experiences or writing about them can enhance your speaking and writing skills. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, using a slow cooker, and how it can apply to both cooking and learning English. Remember, mastering a new language is like slow cooking. It requires time, patience, and consistent effort. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the delicious rewards of your hard work, both in the kitchen and in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.